I'm from Austria and I'm 29 years old. Cape Town was always on my bucket list. Also, a lot of friends of mine were already here and they only told me amazing stuff. So yeah, that's why I always wanted to come here. The most I like about Cape Town is the people. They're all like really open. It's so easy to talk to them. They're all really helpful. I love that it's so outdoorsy. After work you can go for a little hike or like go to those amazing different coffee shops or bars, especially in Observatory, the vintage shops and stuff. So yeah. My favorite place so far is Lion's Head. Especially the hike during sunset. The accommodation is amazing and people are amazing, the house is really cozy and yeah, it feels really homey. It's been amazing so far because at university we'll always just learn the theoretical stuff. So it was really important to me to get the real experience and to work actually on the problems themselves. Definitely. It's so different to be in a different country and actually work and doing an internship than just traveling. You meet way more local people and it feels like you kind of live here and it's amazing. The best tip I could give is to be open-minded. It can be overwhelming, but you're gonna meet amazing, great people and have the best time of your life.